Look at that. What is it? I have no idea, but look at the size of it. Let's get a closer look. Look at that. Yeah, it's a car. How'd it get here? We're pulling it out. Yes, we're finally doing it. I knew we could. Let's go get it. It's the highest. Wow. Back it up slow, watch the roots. Keep it straight toward the edge. Mud's deep, ease off the throttle. Good, stop there, line it up. Set, let's hook the winch. Keep it steady, pull harder. It's moving, watch the chain. To the bank, go. Almost there, don't stop. All right, winch is pulling, guide it steady. Got it, keep the cable tight. It's straining, watch the rear. Almost there, keep it straight. Settle it down now. All right, ease her back. Got it, watch the ramp. Almost there, keep it steady. Clear, she's on the floor. Look at this. Ooh. The Acapulco blue paint is first, suspension upgrades next.
Yes, and chassis prep for the LS3 swap. Interior trim updates align with that.
Agreed. We need a clear timeline for parts. Exactly. Let's nail that down. Wow, look at that shine. The panels are perfect. Yeah, the structure is solid. A real triumph. Team effort paid off. She's ready for paint. Absolutely. Let's get the engine in. Chain's taut, ready to lift. Okay, guide it steady. Mud's dripping heavy, keep it clear. Almost clear of the bay now. All right, bringing it down steady now. Copy, guiding the left side. Watch the mounts, ease it forward. Align, lowering final inch. Set, release the chains.
Come on, turn over. Catching. Yes!
The new seats look incredible, so clean. Yeah, and the dash is immaculate. Great work. Everything is perfect. A full reveal. The client will love this. Whoa, look at that shine. Incredible. The paint is flawless. Best restoration yet. The chrome gleams perfectly. Team effort paid off. This finish is coming out perfect. Yeah, the reflections are really popping. Almost done. This polish is incredible.
Yes! It's turning over! Getting Nature alive! Look at that!
Look at her shine. We nailed it.
Absolutely. The chrome is perfect.
Team effort paid off. Best resto yet.